Hi guys, welcome to Infotek Solutions, and in today's video we are going to discuss how we will help you to become business analyst. So first we need to understand what is business analyst. A business analyst is a professional who works as a liaison between business stakeholders and the technical team to bridge the gap between business needs and technology solutions. Basically, or you can say in simple words, a business analyst is a someone who acts as a middle person between the business side of a company and the technical team. They help to bridge the gap between what the business wants and what the technology can provide. BAs communicate with both sides, understand the requirement of the business stakeholders, and translate them into clear instructions for the technical team. Their role is to ensure that the technical solutions meets the needs and goals of the business, and they play a vital role in helping the company achieve success through the effective use of technology. Now, the point is why you will learn this business analysis program. So there are a few important points, like the first one, in demand skill set, which means you can say that in demand skill set refers to a collection of skills and competencies that are highly sought after by employers and are in high demand in the job market. These skills are typically aligned with current industry trends, emerging technologies, and evolving business needs. Now the second point is going to be is like career progression, which refers to advancement and growth of an individual's career over time. It involves moving up the hierarchical ladder, taking on higher level responsibilities, and achieving increased level of expertise, authority, and compensation in one's chosen field. Now, the third point is problem solving and analytical skills. This is the skill which is used everywhere in every job or business. So, yes, you are going to learn this one as well, like how to solve any problem with the best solution. The fourth one is communication and collaboration, which is the most important point in this training. And because now you can say that nowadays every company needs a person who communicates properly with the team members. So the company wants those type of candidates. The fifth one is job security in BA. Yes, you will have a job security because you have a skill in your hand. And now the last point is high job satisfaction, which signifies that employees find their jobs rewarding, enjoyable, and fulfilling, leading to a positive overall work experience. Now, here are some important training details which you need to know about business analyst program. So we know the main goal of business analyst training program is to help you understand the core concepts of effective analysis and communication. This course will create a comprehensive business analysis that outlines a company's issues, opportunities, and potential solutions, and a skill set for working with databases, cloud, and other technology. Now, the duration of this program will be 30 plus hours, and it's 100% live with the instructor, which will help you a lot while learning all the things. The schedule is also very flexible for all the candidates so that they will attend the classes according to their preference. Okay. Now, uh, what will you learn in this training? So let me show you some things, like you are going to learn all the modules step by step, like business process management, stakeholders, and project manager. What are the values of business analyst, overall of requirement, overview of requirement, different types of requirements, planning and managing requirements, test environment management, hands-on live project. Hands-on live project means you are going to implement all the things which you are going to learn in your training program. Now, BA utilize analytical and problem solving skills to assess current business processes, identifies areas of for improvement, and process propose solutions that align with organizational goals. Now, let me show you some, like you can say, like, let me tell you in simple words. Business analysts use their analytical and problem solving abilities to evaluate how business operates, find areas that can be improved, and suggest solutions that match the company's objective. They analyze the existing processes, identify any issue and inefficiency, and come up with recommendations to make things better. Their goal is to help the organization achieve its goals by finding ways, enhance an operation, and derive positive changes. Now, I know that you guys must be curious, like what is the curriculum, what is the syllabus. So here are some major modules like Introduction to Business Analysis, Stakeholders and Project Manager, Life Cycles, Overview of Life Cycle, some use cases we are going to teach you, Requirement Initiative Forming, Requirements, other requirements, and after that testing. This is just an overview. You guys are going to learn each and every point in detail. So now, very important point is going to be like a life projects. Okay, so life projects are, as we all know, that life projects are highly beneficial in business analysis for several reasons, like real world scenarios, practical experience, exposure to different platforms and devices, and many other reasons are there. So you guys are going to do the live projects like e-commerce portal. You are going to work. You are going to work for travel platform like their websites and apps. And the last one is like e-commerce website. Okay, like Amazon and all. So now the major point, like what is the earning or salary of a fresher as a business analyst? So here are some records of an average business analyst that they can get around $90,000 to $110,000 on an average. So yes, it's an excellent start to your career, and your salary also increases according to your experience as well. Okay. Now, how can we help you to become business analyst? We will help you to build a business analysis skill, provides hands-on project-based experience to learn by doing. In case you are looking for business analyst job, then we will work with you on various interview drills, resume compilation, helping you out to build a IT portfolio and job placement. Now, how we are going to give you interview and placement support. We are going to make various interview drills related to business analyst. We will give you a list of the most probable interview questions and answers related to business analyst and asked by various companies. We will give you some behavior related interview question as well, like question and answers. Also, we will give you mock interviews practice and mentorship related to industry projects and interview preparation, which will really help you to get a job as soon as possible. Now we are in this industry for a very long time, like around 10 plus years right now. And we are also giving training in various programs like in manual testing, automation testing, API with Postman, some ISTQB training as well, and software development as well. So, like if you want some more information like about the courses, so you can just visit our website. It's www.qaonlinetraining.com. You will find all the program detail like for online, for classroom, both. So if you guys are really interested in this program of business analysis, just give us a call at 800-543-5571 or email us at training at infotech-solutions.com. Our team will contact you within 24 hours and share all the information. So I hope you guys like this video and you will get some idea about business analyst training. So, like, why you guys are waiting? Just give us a call and fix a free demo with us. It's a free, so you guys can fix a demo according to your time. We will make a demo session. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.